Hello, today we are going to learn how to use the GeoGebra geometry tool, and we're going to do so by learning how to bisect an angle at the same time. The first thing you need to do is open a browser window and go to www.geogebra.org/geometry. That will bring up this app in your web browser, and over to the left you will see your basic tools. And before we can bisect an angle, we need to create an angle to bisect. So we are going to go over to the left, and under basic tools click on the point tool. Then we're going to go to our working area to the right, and we are going to click to create a point. Then we're going to go anywhere and create another point. And then we're going to go create our third point to form our angle. Now we need to add our line segment, so we're going to go over to the tool section on the left, and this time under basic tools we're going to click on the segment tool. It will come up and tell you to select 2 points, so you're going to click on one point, which I'm clicking on A, and then click on the other point, which is B in this case. Then, still using that same tool, I'm going to go back and click on A again, and I'm going to go and click on C. Now I have my angle that we can bisect. So now we need to set up what we need to do the angle bisection. So we're going to go over to the left under basic tools and click on circles with a center, and then using the A point, because that's the vertex of your angle, we're going to draw out a circle, and as long as it crosses both lines, that's fine. So now we're going to switch back to our point tool over on the left, and we're going to go and click on where the circle intersects the lines to create a new point. And the same thing for where the circle connects with the other line to create a new point. Now we're going back to the circle with the center, and we're going to click on one of our new points, and we're going to hold the left mouse button down while we drag it to our other point, and still using the circle with the point tool. This time we're going to click on the other point that we created, which is point F in this scenario, and we're going to drag it, hold down the mouse button and drag our pointer to point E. And then we're going to back and select the point tool, and we're going to put a point where the two circles that we just made intersect. And then we are going to go back over to our left side, and this time instead of going under basic tools, we are going to go down to under where it says lines, and we're going to click on ray. Then we're going back to our working area, and we're going to click on our vertex, which is the point A. And we're going to move our mouse pointer to the point we just created, which is point G. And that should be your angle bisector. Now the screen is really busy, so we are going to go and delete stuff. So we're going back over to our tools. And we're going to show hide objects, and we're going to click on these circles, and they will gray out. And then we're going to make sure that we bisected the angle by going to our tools, and under construct, we're going to click on angle bisector. And then we're going to click on our original 3 points, starting with the top one, which is B, then A, and then C. And if we bisected the angle correctly, the line that they put should line up with the one that we put. So we have now bisected an angle. Thank you for watching this tutorial.